Do you have a pile of at-home COVID tests you stocked up on during the pandemic? Well, you may want to pay attention to the expiration date. Our Heather Crawford is here to verify if you should toss them out if they're expired.
I, like a lot of families, have a stack of over-the-counter COVID tests at home, and many of them are past their expiration date. So you may be wondering, like I was, can they still give accurate results? Let's verify. When you're sick and want to know if you have COVID so you don't spread it to others, an over-the-counter test can give you a quick answer. But can you use at-home COVID tests past the expiration date on the box and still get reliable results? Our sources: Chad Nielsen, Infection Prevention Director, UF Health Jacksonville, and the FDA. First, why do these tests have expiration dates?
The expiration dates on COVID tests are based on the products that's actually in the test that make the test work. So if it's past the expiration date, the products that actually make the test work inside could deteriorate or they could no longer be effective.
But according to the FDA, some expiration dates have been extended if the manufacturer provided data showing the test's shelf life is longer than was known when it was initially authorized. Nielsen says before you trust the results of an expired test, check the FDA's website.
The FDA does allow for some COVID tests to be used past their expiration date, depending on the brand, depending on the type of test, but I would not trust those results on an expired test until you've checked with the FDA's website on whether or not they've extended that date or not.
You can search by the manufacturer and test name and then look at the lot number to see if the expiration date has been extended past the date listed on the box.
If you're using a test and getting a result on a test that's past the expiration date that hasn't been extended, you could be getting potentially a false positive, a false negative. You really can't trust the results of that test.
So we can verify, yes, you can still use an at-home COVID test past the expiration date listed on the box, but you should do so only if that expiration date has been extended by the FDA.
Check the FDA's website or the manufacturer's website to see if that expiration date is intact or if it's been extended. If it has not been extended, you should throw out the test and buy a new one.
We've linked the FDA's website that lists the extended expiration dates to this story on firstcoastnews.com. And if you have something that you want us to verify, email us at verify@firstcoastnews.com. Heather Crawford, First Coast News, on your side.